Engines roar. Giant mechanical beasts thunder through mountains and forests, crossing rivers, crushing rocks, defying every law of physics. This isn't just transportation, it's a real battlefield. A battle of brute strength, of cutting-edge engineering, of nerves of steel. Are you ready? Let's begin a journey not for the faint of heart with Mech Xplore. Look at that Tata 121. This isn't just driving anymore. It's a gamble with both a human life and a steel beast worth hundreds of thousands of dollars.
Tem medo de pular fora.
The roaring tank charges forward. Dozens riding it scream with joy. In seconds, the car beneath is crushed flat under steel tracks. The crowd erupts. The ultimate stress killer. Pure adrenaline, pure chaos, pure fun.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel.
Bringing down incinerators or high-rise buildings has never been more thrilling. A perfectly timed explosion sends the massive concrete structure crashing down in seconds. Or the roar of giant excavators tearing through concrete like paper. It feels like the ground itself is shaking. Yet another spectacular performance on the Hish Road. Thankfully, the rapid response team arrived just in time to take the lead role in cleaning up the aftermath. Unbelievable. An ATS driver masterfully maneuvered a 103-meter-long, 7-trailer road train through a sharp turn. A breathtaking display of skill, precision, and nerves of steel. Truly a legendary moment on the open road. Picture this. Gigantic road trains roaring through Cahill's Crossing, where strong currents and lurking crocs wait just below. In the wild heart of Kakadu, engines roar, water sprays high, and every eye watches as the wheels power forward. Not for the faint-hearted, this is Aussie trucking legend in motion. The Ahola Special is engineered for transporting heavy loads with remarkable precision and power. With a total length of 49 meters, a width of 7 meters, and a height of 6.85 meters, this combination is a true giant on the road. Designed following the EKG-5A, a Soviet mechanical icon that still quietly rules the deepest coal seams. Equipped with a 5 cubic meter bucket steel cable-driven hoisting, and an operating weight over 300 tons, the EKG-5A doesn't need to roar to prove its strength. Each swing lifts dozens of tons of black rock, dropping them precisely into the bed of ultra-class haul trucks, keeping the extraction rhythm steady through every long shift. It's not a robot, not a marvel of AI, just a pure electric brute, still strong enough to carry an entire mining campaign. You won't believe it until you ride it. The Dutch Amphibus is a one-of-a-kind amphibious bus that drives straight from the road into the water like a real landing craft. As the wheels touch the river and the vehicle begins to float, cheers erupt from thrilled passengers. This unique service operates in cities like Rotterdam, where canals and rivers are part of daily life. It's not just a mode of transport, it's a full-on adventure, giving you stunning city views from both land and water. A perfect blend of Dutch creativity, engineering genius, and pure excitement. The transport of the 85-ton, 34-meter-long boat from Tinek nad Labem to Pasolavki village was an ultimate test of skill and teamwork. With massive dimensions of 46 meters length, 6 meters width, and 5.6 meters height, totaling 168 tons including the push truck, every detail required precise planning. The boat traveled via waterways to the Ro-Ro port, then was carefully lifted by 2 cranes working in perfect tandem onto our vehicle. A flawless display of precision. The 200-kilometer, 3-day road journey navigated complex routes where the transport team coordinated seamlessly, overcoming every obstacle to guarantee the boat's absolute safety. This was not just a move, but a powerful testament to unity, expertise, and professionalism in heavy haulage.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel.
A true rescue mission to the center of the Earth. The vehicle was initially stuck with just the front left wheel sunken, but after calling in a truck to pull it out, things took a turn. Now the rear wheel got bogged down even worse. This time, it stuck deep enough that only a professional rescue team can help. The 2 drivers pulled off what looked like an IQ dance, turning a minor issue into a full-blown disaster. A hard lesson in unplanned rescue attempts. A single moment of carelessness, and the price was a crane crashing down from a great height, snapping its cable, falling freely, and ending up crushed like a tin can. Severe damage, losses in the hundreds of thousands, if not more. The cause? The operator lifted the wire unevenly, ignoring the center of gravity and force distribution. Add to that a lack of basic physics knowledge about force, gravity, and Newton's laws, and the result was a serious incident. The lifting cable hadn't been properly inspected or maintained. A costly lesson. Just one small mistake, one bit of negligence, can lead to massive financial loss, property damage, or even loss of life. In heavy equipment operations, there's no room for carelessness. LKT-81, with its superior power, easily conquers slippery swamps, drags heavy logs, or even moves a small car without any obstacles in its way. Each pull is a battle between steel and earth, making this legendary vehicle an indispensable companion in many cherished memories of its owner. Every trip through rugged terrain, the LKT-81 not only carries logs but also carries stories and memories that are deeply etched in the heart of the owner. A 500-ton steel giant, Germany's legendary submarine, departs the port of Kiel on its final journey to the Sinsheim Technical Museum. Not by sea alone, not by land alone, but both. Loaded onto a barge, it glides silently downriver like a ghost of war. Once ashore, a convoy of heavy-haul trucks takes over, dragging the beast across highways, tight bridges, and stunned city streets. No cranes, no shortcuts. This isn't transport. It's a rolling tribute to engineering greatness, a farewell march of steel, closing a chapter written beneath the waves. The Ahola Special is engineered for transporting heavy loads with remarkable precision and power. With a total length of 49 meters, a width of 7 meters, and a height of 6.85 meters, this combination is a true giant on the road. Designed for the most challenging wide and long transportations, it offers unparalleled stability and capability to carry oversized machinery and equipment. Whether navigating narrow paths or handling complex routes, the Ahola Special is built to conquer any obstacle with confidence and efficiency. Heavy-duty transport on challenging roads is a formidable challenge, requiring the ability to withstand 58 degrees Celsius heat, 7% inclines, while managing power cuts and raising both low and high-voltage power lines. Removing obstacles on the streets, driving against traffic for 25 kilometers in the capital city, and navigating railway crossings are all unavoidable tasks. FTE has been with the project owner from the very beginning, addressing concerns about transporting massive items, 63 meters by 10 meters by 11.7 meters, 950 metric tons, into the heart of the city. Success is achieved through precision, perseverance, detailed planning, seamless coordination, and a strong logistical system.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel.
The RH-340B, Caterpillar's steel beast, roars furiously across the quarry, snarling like a mechanical monster on the hunt. Its massive hydraulic arm swings wide, and the giant bucket tears deep into bedrock, ripping through solid earth like it's peeling bark. In just a few fierce strokes, over 60 tons of rock and soil thunder into the Komatsu 830E's haul bed, shaking the entire pit like a controlled earthquake. Brute speed, raw power, and pinpoint precision. The RH-340B isn't just an excavator. It's the iron heartbeat of the modern mining battlefield. The geography of Peru has always been a colossal challenge, with towering mountain ranges, deep valleys, and winding, treacherous roads. But this is no obstacle for the brave souls entrusted with the arduous task of constructing the Construction Puente Pampas, a Apurimac bridge. When massive machinery like cranes, excavators, and colossal construction equipment faces steep cliffs, rocky roads, and slippery paths, every stretch of road becomes a battle for survival. Heavy-duty trucks roll through deadly curves, sometimes needing to build temporary bridges or modify routes, all to deliver the equipment to the right place at the right time. The roar of engines, the spinning of tires on rough terrain, and in the end, when the giant machinery finally reaches its destination, it stands as a testament to the unstoppable strength of humanity in the face of nature. As the U-17 approached the Baste dock and spire, silence fell over the crowd. The submarine, once cutting through the depths of the sea, now glided majestically along the riverbank. Every movement was slow, precise, almost ceremonial. When the hull touched the mooring at Baste, it wasn't just steel meeting stone, it was history docking for one last salute. A chapter closed not in battle, but in awe. Watch the Cat RH-340E unleash its fury on the Earth. 570 tons of hydraulic dominance powered by twin 1,500 horsepower engines. With a 34 cubic meter front shovel and a reach that swallows rock faces whole, this monster doesn't just excavate, it devours. Teamed up with Terex 830E dump trucks, the RH-340E turns overburden into routine. In open pit mining, it's not just a machine, it's a rhythm, a force, a legend. The giants have roared, the earth has trembled, and the steel journey comes to an end. You've just witnessed an epic clash between machines and nature. If you're amazed, thrilled, or simply love mechanical power, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Mech Xplore so you won't miss the next jaw-dropping adventure, and comment below to tell us which machine blew your mind the most. We want to hear from you. See you in the next mind-blowing mechanical mission.